Clowns and Halloween go so well together. Lots of people are scared of clowns, and that is why Debbie created her version of the It Clown for today's makeup tutorial. And this isn't just a regular It Clown, it is a glamorous version of the It Clown. So if you want to know how she has created it, please keep watching because we will show you in this video. With a black pencil liner, Debbie is first sketching out the lines that go from the mouth to the eyes in the It Clown, in the new It Clown that is. And once these lines are on the skin, here is some black star blend by Maron to give the eyes the black color they need. And the same powder is used for the line from the eye to the mouth. And of course, we need some contouring on this It Clown, and that is also done with the black star blend. Onto a white Fantasy Effects by Maron. Debbie uses this to color her eyelids lighter than just with the black star blends. It turns out gray once all the white is on there. And then it's time for the mouth. So this is a red face paint by Superstar. I will link all the products used in the description box down below, might you want to purchase any of them. So there is the red. This is a detail brush by Maron, and on it is the black face paint by Diamond Effects. And Debbie is just putting loads of little dots around the red stripe that is from the mouth to the eyes. Just put those dots on there until you have a lovely effect. The same red to create the clown's nose, which is just a perfectly round little dot on the nose. On to the clown's color, and this is done with Fantasy FX White by Maron again. So color everything white. And once it is all white, it's time to put some shadows in there. So the shadows are done with a black star blend once again. And if you have a reference picture, you can see which part you should make black to get that 3D effect in the color. So there is gray star blend and the black star blend in here. This is a silver eyeliner, and Debbie uses it to get some more details in the eyebrows. And a bit of bling on those eyebrows to make this into a glamorous It, of course. And a bit of glue under the eyes, so we can put a bit of bling on there as well. Because if it was a girl, she would definitely have had some bling in her makeup. And once all the bling is on the face, it is time to color the neck black. This is done with Diamond Effects Black. And just paint all of the skin between the chin and the clown's color you just painted black. And that completes our glamorous It Clown makeup tutorial for today. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all the videos we will upload here until Halloween.